Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see, my computer is simple, accuracy free, so it is super easy to design. Just watch this video to the end and something from here. Then I'm gonna talk. Let's begin today. So we're ready to do. Just select all the things, then just a little bit more, and keep to the corner side for the create the object. Super we need to do, just go to the dashboard and it just over here, hover, and I will select control. I need it over here, just drag. You see, it may 5 or 6 default setting, but I setting this one at the 3, so it's okay. I it's opposite that at the turn. I need it to turn like that. I need it to turn that happen. So when I do, I just copy this one like that by pressing Alt key. That I think it's okay, a little bit bigger to clear this object. Again, I need copy by pressing that here a little bit. Again, I need a little bit big so that it clear. And there to again, I need copy. There. So, guys, it's super easy. No tension over here. Everyone can do this one easily because it's just copy and paste. No other things. I think it's okay. So I proceed and just select the handle I needed it to converse. So in the dashboard, select rectangle tool and just put there. And okay. So I needed to center there. Okay. Same to same, no difference between this that one. So I all the things and I need group by Control G, see all the things. It's flat design. It's very simple and super easy. Just you tried watching this video complete, you can learn this all this. Thanks for watching.